Hello learners, this is Excel with Habeeba. I am back with my inspirational stories which makes impossible things possible. If you like the stories, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Let's start today's story, that is the Queen's Boulder. In ancient times, there was a queen who ordered her soldiers to maneuver a boulder, that is rock, into the middle of the main road to and from town. The queen then hid, watching to see who would stop to do the right thing and move it out of the way again. Wealthy merchants and courtiers passed the boulder, barely giving it a second thought. A few of them blamed their queen for not keeping the roads clear. Yet, none stopped to do anything. One day, a peasant walked along with a sack of vegetables to sell at market. He stopped, laid these down, and then pushed, huffed, and heaved the stone away. Upon picking up his vegetables, the peasant saw a large purse full of gold and a handwritten note from the queen herself where the boulder had been. The gold was a reward for whoever removed it from the road. It was written on that note. So, what's the moral of the story, friends? Laziness will never get you anywhere in life. Success almost always takes humility and hard work. Hope you liked the story. If you like, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.